Hi. In this short video, I'm going to showcase the GitHub application that we're going to be building in a 90 minutes workshop with Winglang and Amazon Bedrock. The GitHub application basically listens to any open pull request in a repo, goes through the markdown files, and fixes the English grammar and spelling mistakes. So let's see it in action. So for this application, I've created this simple repo, test for Wing Bedrock workshop. That repo, if I go to the setting page and into GitHub apps, I can see that the install GitHub apps. I can see that I have the English grammar fixer that is developed by myself. Let's see it in action. To see it in action, I need to create a pull request that changes a markdown file. So let's add this README, which is a markdown. And let's just make a very small change. I'll commit the change, and I create a new pull request. So I'm going to propose this change into a new branch, and I'm going to create a pull request. So the change I've made was just deleting the dot here, so we can see this. But behind the scenes, GitHub is accessing my application in a webhook, and as you can see, there's a new update. Let's even take a look at what this update is. There's a new change since I last viewed, and the change, this is the commit. So corrected the spelling, grammar, and punctuation in README file. I go back to the file changes, and now I can see that a GitHub, and I see application that listens with an S, that corrects with an S. There is a comma here. And instead of was, there's a well. Basically, they fixed my English. So thank you very much, Bedrock or actually Entropy, for fixing my English. And that's what I had to show. That's what we'll be building in 90 minutes. And of course, you can play around with it. And this is your app.